To get to this side panel, first thing you gotta do is you gotta take this out because it's overlapping this side panel here. So take this out, pop this out. The module obviously is behind here. You just unplug it. This is 2025 Honda Pilot. We are doing a sub. Whenever you're doing a sub on this car, it makes a rumbling sound because of the ANC. I'm going to show you where the ANC module is at. It's very easy to do it. I already have it out. You pop out this side panel. Take this out. If you look on the side, right here, I already got this plug unplugged. There is a little locking pin tab, I should say, right here. You push this one inward, pull away from it, and that stops the rumbling sound. You don't have to plug this back in. Some people said they may disable Bluetooth. It has nothing to do with the Bluetooth. This only does ANC, which is an anti-noise canceling system. That's when you drive on highway. A lot of wind noise and rumbling sound created by the low frequency opposite cycle of the wind noise from outside. So whenever you do sub, you must disconnect this, otherwise sub makes that noise. To prevent that, you gotta take that plug off from this module right here. Very simple. Minute job.